As discussed in the previous video, we can directly download termux from Google Play Store. Also, we can download termux from F-Droid. Now the question is, what is F-Droid? F-Droid is a community-maintained software repository for Android. Similar to the Google Play Store, the main repository hosted by the project contains only free apps. Applications can be browsed, downloaded and installed from the F-Droid website or client app without the need to register for an account. Anti-features such as advertising, user tracking or dependencies on non-free software are flagged in app descriptions. The website also offers the source code of applications it hosts, as well as the software running the F-Droid server, allowing anyone to set up their own app repository.